Is chromium picolinate a good supplement for weight loss and minimizing sugar cravings and beneficial for diabetics aiming to reduce blood sugar levels, or is it simply a waste of money? Welcome to Live Lean TV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So on today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm discussing what is chromium picolinate, including the benefits, dosage, and side effects. So the goal of today's video is to cut through all the marketing BS to help you make healthier decisions while saving you time and money. So let's look at what the research says, then I'll articulate all the benefits with science-backed evidence at the end of the video. And to be respectful of your time, I've included the timestamps to each question and answer on the screen as well as in the description below. So before we jump in, let me know in the comments below if you have ever supplemented with chromium picolinate. So with that said, let's jump right into it. So does supplementing with chromium picolinate stop sugar and hunger cravings? So chromium picolinate is a form of the mineral chromium. And according to this study, chromium picolinate is considered the most effective type for supplementation due to its higher absorption rate. And this 8-week study tested a group of healthy, overweight adult women with carbohydrate cravings. The results showed supplementing with 1,000 micrograms of chromium picolinate for 8 weeks may have a direct effect on the brain to reduce hunger, cravings, and food intake. So while the evidence is limited, chromium picolinate is quite affordable at around $10, making it a cost-effective option to try and see if it helps curb hunger, cravings, and potential binge eating. Since some research has shown chromium picolinate helps reduce sugar cravings and hunger, is it good for weight loss? So several studies have investigated the effectiveness of chromium picolinate as a weight loss supplement due to its role in blood sugar management and potential positive effects on reducing hunger cravings. However, this analysis of 9 studies involving 622 overweight or obese individuals found that chromium picolinate resulted in minimal weight loss of 2.4 pounds after 12 to 16 weeks. So the researchers concluded the weight loss was questionable in terms of clinical significance, leaving the supplement's overall effectiveness unclear. And another analysis of 11 studies reported a similar finding, showing only 1.1 pounds of weight loss over 8 to 26 weeks. So although chromium picolinate may help reduce hunger and sugar cravings, for overall weight loss, you still need to be in a calorie deficit to lose weight. So if this reduction in hunger and cravings helps you achieve a calorie deficit, chromium picolinate, priced at around $10, offers an affordable way to test whether it supports your weight loss goals. So is chromium picolinate good for diabetes and people with insulin resistance? So this study right here shows supplementing with chromium picolinate may benefit individuals with type 2 diabetes, as it can help improve blood sugar control. However, when it comes to obese individuals without diabetes, this study right here found that a daily intake of 1,000 micrograms of chromium picolinate did not enhance the body's insulin response. So ultimately, for individuals with diabetes, supplementing with chromium picolinate may help enhance the body's insulin response or reduce blood sugar levels. However, the results have been inconsistent, and these same benefits were not usually seen as much in people without diabetes. So can you take chromium picolinate every day? So to supplement with chromium picolinate, you can take it in a powder, tablet, or a capsule form. And typically you should take it with food to improve absorption and reduce the risk of stomach upset. So the optimal dosage of chromium picolinate varies depending on individual needs and health conditions. However, this research suggests a daily dose of 200 micrograms to 1,000 micrograms is generally safe and effective for improving insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, particularly in people with type 2 diabetes. So start with a low dose and increase as needed. Higher doses should be taken with caution and only under doctor supervision, since excessive chromium intake may lead to potential side effects such as kidney or liver issues. So is chromium picolinate safe to supplement with? Chromium picolinate is generally safe at recommended doses between 200 micrograms to 1,000 micrograms per day. However, even though no upper limits have been set for chromium supplementations, some side effects have been reported at high doses. So these side effects can include dizziness, headaches, nausea, mood changes, and skin irritations. And in rare cases, excessive long-term use can lead to more serious side effects such as kidney or liver damage and potential DNA damage, though it is not common at moderate doses. So people with pre-existing kidney or liver conditions should be cautious and consult a healthcare provider before supplementing with chromium picolinate. Can you take chromium picolinate and berberine together? So yes, you can take chromium picolinate and berberine together as they both support blood sugar regulation but work through different mechanisms. So chromium picolinate improves insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, while berberine activates AMPK, which is a key enzyme that helps regulate blood sugar and fat metabolism. So this study right here suggests that combining them may enhance blood sugar control, especially in individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. However, if you're concerned, consult with your healthcare professional before combining chromium picolinate and berberine supplements. So what foods are high in chromium picolinate? So since chromium picolinate is a synthetic form of chromium, it's not found in foods. Therefore, supplementation is often needed to receive the benefits of chromium picolinate for specific health benefits such as blood sugar control in diabetics. However, foods high in natural chromium include broccoli, green beans, whole grains, potatoes, apples, bananas, chicken, beef, oysters, and black pepper. Although the recommended daily intake of chromium varies based on age, the general guidelines are 35 micrograms for adult men and 25 micrograms for adult women. So chromium deficiency is relatively rare in the general population, as most people get adequate amounts through a balanced diet. So with all this said, should you supplement with chromium picolinate? So here are the science-backed benefits of chromium picolinate. Research on chromium picolinate for weight loss suggests it may help reduce sugar cravings, hunger, and food intake. However, weight loss results were modest. For individuals with type 2 diabetes, it may also help improve blood sugar control and improve insulin sensitivity, but its effect on insulin resistance for non-diabetics are less consistent. Ultimately, at around $10 a bottle, chromium picolinate is an affordable supplement option to test its benefits for diabetics and individuals with excessive cravings and weight loss goals. However, those with kidney or liver conditions should consult with a qualified healthcare provider. And I've included an Amazon affiliate link in the video description below for you to check out chromium picolinate for yourself. And question of the day, let me know in the comments, have you ever supplemented with chromium picolinate? And what benefits and results did you experience? And if you found this post helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our Live Lean TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. Now I wanted to go check out this video right here where I discuss the research-backed evidence behind the benefits of maca root powder. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.